The Bugatti FKP Homage is a one-off masterpiece unveiled in early 2026 to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the legendary Veyron and its creator, Ferdinand Karl Piëch. Built as the second creation under Bugatti's exclusive Solitaire program, it blends the iconic silhouette of the original Veyron with contemporary chiron-based engineering. The car features a striking two-tone red and black color scheme, utilizing a specialized rouge jubel paint layered over silver aluminum, paired with black-tinted exposed carbon fiber. A signature 3D horseshoe grille, machined from solid aluminum, sits prominently at the front. Powered by the final evolution of the 8.0-liter W16 engine from the Chiron Super Sport, delivering 1,600 horsepower and a potential top speed of over 300 miles per hour, approximate 482 kilometers per hour. The cabin is finished in Havana brown leather with custom fabrics and features an integrated Audemars Piguet Royal Oak tourbillon directly in the dashboard. As a one-of-one build for a private collector, the price is estimated to exceed €10 million, $10.8 million USD.